Now traders, if you're looking to grow your account and or pass a prop firm challenge and get funded, I want to show you these signals, these trade signals. You can set these up to go off over here, click on them, come straight in, and it's all set up as you see here. So you have the option with this new indicator that we've released, the imbalance tracker. This is gold. Let's just click through a few and have a look. What do we got? Okay, there was a signal there on the dollar CAD. This, by the way, is your exit signal. You got the choice to take profit there and here. Move your stop loss to break even. Now let's just flick through a couple of these and have a look at the last signal or two. Pound dollar. There's a nice one. Now here's the thing. Okay, so there's a signal back here. I'm going to show you this. When this goes off, we need to see the green shaded zone behind it? We need that. That confirms to take that trade. Back here, watch when I click the momentum sync, we have a red zone behind it. Okay, so that is a no-go. We just ignore it. Pound Swiss. Okay, these are counter trend. You probably want to avoid them. But, as I said, have a look at this here. Okay, so that's saying there's a potential sell. But look, the background is green, so don't touch it. That's a no-go. Don't take that. Really simple. All right, have a look at these two here. See this signal? Do we see red behind it? Yes, we do. Right there where the signal fires, where this fires, where that goes off, okay, that red zone's kicked in here, we take it. Nice outcome. This one here, have a look. Do we have the red momentum sink behind it? Yes, we do. Take that trade. It's as simple as that. Nice. I don't know, what do we got here? Euro CAD. Keep it simple. Well, there's green behind that one. You could have taken that. Close it there. There's no red behind that. Don't take it. Just ignore it. This one here, okay, just use this indicator. Is there green behind it? Yes, there is. Take that trade. So this one, settings, 15-minute time frame, imbalance range is 0. That's it. Enable these things. Okay. There's other signals too I want to show you. Momentum sync, 15, 30, 1 and 1, 2.5. They're your settings. 5-minute chart. Just come in here and set the alert for that. Add the alert. Depending on your account, you could set it up for anything you want to trade, but some accounts with TradingView, you can select the entire list. That's it. It's per bar, create. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. This is a 5-minute chart, and it's going to give you these 15-minute time frame alerts. Look, just going back, look at this, for example. So this is in a bullish trend. See, we can see that because it's got this behind it. So we just take these trades, every one of them bullish. Nice. The other signals that you have, and this is specifically, if you want to manually trade and grow your account or control a large account, guys, before I show you these other signals, this is what you can do with this. Look through here. Control a $50,000 account for a $150 investment. Control $50,000. When you reach a 10% target, you earn $4,500. The prop firm pay you 90%. So they keep 10, right? Control a large account. Invest 150. Don't trade your own money. Let me show you this. And then we'll have a look at the other signals that we've got. In my Discord, come down to the prop section. We've got 2 of them here. This one's offering a 50% discount. So that's what we're looking at today. Use my link, and that's your code for 50% off. Let me show you this. When you click this link, it tends to take you to this. But go over here and click on the icon on the top left. Scroll down, right down here, choose your challenge. I'd go the one step and look at this $50,000 account here. At the moment, it's half price, 50% off. So normally $300. Invest $150 and control a $50,000 account. One step. So as soon as you get through your initial phase and get funded, you're on your way. This is a no-brainer. Look, if you want to trade a smaller account, or a bigger account, the option's there, 50% off. Yeah, that's using my link. And this is an incredible opportunity. Use our signals. Now here's the rest of the signals. They're in here. In this channel, we are having a high success rate with these. And this is as easy as paint by numbers. If you watch my other videos, you'll see what I mean. Instructions. Wait for the candles to turn red. Look for a green signal on the momentum sync. Okay? Wait for it to turn red. Look for the green signal. Swissy yen. Okay, there it is. Candle turned red. Take the next green signal. I don't think we've had a loss with these signals. Some of them have broken even due to, it's either going to trend sideways and we let it go, or it trends. And every time, the trend has been correct. So this is an opportunity, guys. Snap it up. 14-day trial on my website. Now, I'll show you this. Down here, this is where you join. You got the PayPal option, but WAP will give you a PayPal or a Stripe option regardless. So you may as well go there. The benefit of WAP is it sets you up with 14 days free for a start. But you go back into WAP and then you gain instant access to everything. And then after 14 days, billing kicks in and you can control your subscription through WAP. And it's only, shout me lunch, guys, at the moment, while it's in launch mode. This is heavily discounted. So you gain immediate access to the VIP channel, the Discord, and the indicators. So snap this up and see where this can take you for a very small investment. This could change your life. With that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I look forward to seeing you in the 14-day trial.